Can I have my 2,000 rand back, please? My 2,000 rand I want back. My 2,000 rand I want back. The money that I gave now, 2,000 rand for this gentleman here. This lady here took 2,000 rand from my friend, somebody who works for me. Can I have my money back, please?
I don't know anything.
Okay, you don't know anything, but you took the money. Can I have 2,000 rand from you? Please give it to me now. Or else I'll put you on Facebook. Give it to me. Thank you very much. Fuck it. Yeah, you don't know anything about it. But here's 2,000 rand that you took from my guy. Hey? How come you give me the 2,000 rand now? You guys are all taking bribes here. What kind of policeman are you? What, come over here. Let me put you all on video. Come. I can't stand you guys.
We appreciate what this citizen did by exposing this corrupt police. But he kept on saying, you took money from my guy. What was the bribe for? That's what we need to know. That's what he need to explain to us. Why was this guy bribing this police in the first place? Because he is not saying anything about that. Even if this other police who came after asking him, what was the money for? He refused to answer. Instead, he just became very angry. I don't know, but to me, there's something behind this bribe. So this police was bribed by his employee. Where is this employee? Is he a South African? I asked this question on my first video. When I first saw this video, where is this guy who was bribing the police? What was he bribing the police for? This guy needs to explain all those things. We understand and we appreciate that he exposed the roads in the police system. He exposed the corrupt police because we are complaining about all these things. After General Mkhwanazi exposed everything, we always wanted to see and know who are these police. Okay, now we are seeing them. But he need to tell us, why was this guy bribing the police? That's what we need to know. Because he's becoming angrier, aggressive, instead of at least to being polite and explain to us what was going on. Why was this guy bribing this police? What did he do wrong? You understand? So I'm not trying to blame him for what he did or what he is doing, but we need to get the full story at least.
Say sorry. Why did you do it?
I'm very sorry.
Why did you do it?
Sorry.
You sorry? 2,000 rand from a man who works very hard. And you take his money. What kind of policeman are you? You're very sorry. I'm very sorry for the whole of bloody South Africa.
Where is this hard-working man? Why is he not here? Because this thing happened here. This is a crime scene. This man who paid this 2,000 rands, he was supposed to be here, at least to witness, to tell us, to be the witness of what is happening here, and to tell us why was he giving the money to the police. Is he a South African? What crime did he commit for him to bribe the police? We need to know all those things. This story is confusing. It's not complete. They must tell us what was going on here. We need to see this guy who bribed the police. We need him to explain to us why was he bribing the police. Because if he was forced by this police to bribe, whether beaten for him to give them this money or pointed with a GUN or whatever, he was supposed to be here to make the whole world know, to make South Africa know how corrupt these police are. Even if it was extortion, he was supposed to be here to tell us, to expose this police. They took my money by force. I did not do anything wrong.
And you're sitting here as well. What the hell are you? Why don't you get up and arrest that lady there?
No, I didn't know anything.
You didn't know anything? Arrest that lady then. Here's the money. Here is the money. No. Give me the 2,000 rand. I want the 2,000 rand. That money that woman, she says she's sorry about taking. I want her number. No, I'm not interested in talking. I want the money. No, stand back from me. Don't stand close to me. No, get away. This is a witness. Please stay away. I'm telling you right now.
We try to help you.
Don't worry. Sorry, get out of here.
This is the lady.
Just get out of here. That is the lady.
I'm the senior.
I don't care who you are.
I'm going to solve this.
I'm leaving here. Goodbye.
What is the money?
Goodbye.
What is the money?
You give me the money. She's giving me the money.
Did she give you the money?
Yes.
What was the money for, sir?
Don't worry. We talked to her about it. Fine. Why don't you guys do your fucking job? Excuse me. Bye.
No, we wouldn't.
Just goodbye.
No, let's talk.
This other police is asking, what was the money for, sir? He's saying, don't worry. Go do your job. That's my problem. He's even saying, don't come close to me. Don't come close to me. For him to explain to the other police who want to know what was the money for, this other police explained to him, I am her senior. Why is he refusing to explain to the senior police what happened? What was the bribe for? What was this 2,000 rands paid for? Something is going on here. There's something this man is not telling us. As I said, we appreciate what he did to expose the rods in the police, but no, there's something he is not telling us. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Thank you so much. Bye.